Hello guys, you guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to make a very short video to show you guys how to define your cause, because I know there are a whole lot of people, there are a whole lot of people out there who wears curly hair but they don't know how to take care of it. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to make your curly hair pop and make your coils pop and look very very lovely. Before we get into the step, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share this video with anybody you think will like this kind of content, and try to get the person to subscribe to this channel, because we'll be dropping more of such content in this video. So the next step is, after I've actually made the wig, I this is the wig in its natural state. Is a raw coily hair. So for you to take care of your raw coily hair, you need a leave-in conditioner, and that is what I'm spraying on it right now. You need a leave-in conditioner and a brush to define the coils. You can see that this is not a regular brush that I'm using to define the coils, and this particular brush is very very good for my customers. In fact, for as many as those who will be ordering who orders corny hair, this brush always comes with it because it's very very good with corny hairs. So I went ahead to section the hairs and define them section by section, and I also went ahead to fast forward the video because I don't want to bore you guys. But there was nothing really different that I did off camera. I did the same thing, just spraying the leave-in conditioner on it. Over here, right here, the wig is still very much wet because of course you are spraying it in a leave-in conditioner. So you just need to allow it to air dry by the time you are done with the styling. As you can see, I'm actually done styling the hair, and I'm just trying to create a C part on the wig because that was what the customer requested for. By the way, the customer actually doesn't want me to bleach the knot. She actually wants it like that. That was why the knot was not bleached. So I have applied the hair wax, then I went ahead to apply serum to give it more shine. Then the next step is me trying to lay the closure very very flat. Having a hot comb is very very important for your nail splits, be it closure, be it frontal, be it mini closure. Okay, and this is a 4x4 closure, so it's very very versatile. You can style it whichever way you want. And as you can see, this closure is very very realistic. You know, it's not bulky at the front. It's a very very realistic closure. So I just went ahead to style it, and this is the finished look. Over here it is still actually very wet. I allowed it to air dry before sending it to the customer. Please like, share and subscribe.